Hello my lovely kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well children at home. So children, today in our book 1 on page number 107 we will be doing one activity. Today we will do 3 activities. So let's start first from this page 107. So here at the top you will mention your name and here your date, today's date 22/4/2021. Pasting shapes. Paste one big rectangle, 3 triangles, 3 circles and 8 thin strips made of colored paper to make a rocket. You can see we have to do this activity with the help of shapes. So let's first refer to the back side of this page. You can see the picture of a rocket is given to you. You can see 1, 2, 3 triangles, 1 big rectangle, 3 small circles and the 8 thin strips we have used for making this activity. So let's start and arrange the material first. Craft sheet, scissor, Fevicol. Okay, so see children, this is one red color rectangle. These are the 3 yellow color triangles and these 3 yellow color circles and the 8 purple color strips. Now with the help of glue we will paste these shapes over here in this activity. So let's take the glue and apply it on the back side of this. Okay, see now I have applied glue. This we will paste in a tilted position like this, in a slanting way. Now press it gently. Now take this big triangle and apply glue. Now let's paste the triangle in this way. Press it gently. Now paste 2 triangles here. One like this and the other like this. Like this. Okay, now we will paste 3 circles of yellow color here. So let's apply glue like this and now paste it one by one. Like this. Now here we will paste the 8 strips. So apply glue like this. And now start pasting the strips like this, one by one. See the strips I have pasted children. Now here our activity is finished. So we have made the rocket with the help of shapes. How it is looking good? Okay, so now let's move to the next activity. Now let's come to children page number 113. Pasting shapes. One more activity we have to do. So here at the top you will mention your name, today's date 22/04/21. Alright, now let's read what we have to do here. Paste 1 square, 1 circle and 4 rectangles made of colored glaze paper to make the body of a child. Now let's refer to the snapshots, activity snapshots at the back side of this page. You can see this is 1 circle, this is 1 square and the 2 hands for 2 rectangles in the shape of hand and 2 rectangles in the shape of hand. Now we have to paste this and we have to make a body of a child. Again this activity is related to shapes. So see now I have cutted this. Similarly you have to cut 2 black color rectangles, 2 yellow color rectangles, 1 red color circle and 1 yellow color square. Similarly you have to cut these shapes with your craft paper. Now let's take the glue and apply it on the back side of this circle first. See I have applied glue at the back side of each shape. Now one by one I will stick this. Paste the first shape, the circle of shape of circle to make the face of the body. Alright, now I have pasted. Now I will paste this square part to make the chest part of the body. Press it gently. Now I will paste the picture of hands like this. Press it gently. Again like this. Now hands part is done. Now here I will paste the legs part. 1 and the 2. Press it gently. See, the entire body is pasted. 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 chest and stomach part, and 1 face. So in this way, children, you will do this activity on page number 113. How it is looking? Good? Alright, so do it very neatly. Now come to the next activity. Okay children, see, now on page number 103 we have to do one more activity. So again you will mention the name and the date. See what we have to do. Hand printing color red. Dip your hand in red watercolor and imprint it on the sheet. Now refer to the back side of this page. See, this is very simple. You have to just dip your hand in red watercolor and then you have to imprint it on this page. So I have taken the red watercolor. This is red watercolor. You can see, you all must have. See, this I have taken in one plate. Now I will dip my hand in this watercolor and then I will imprint it over here. So now let's see. See children, I have dipped my hand in red watercolor and now I will paste it over here like this. And now gently I will remove my hand. See children, this hand is printed now. So this is easy? Yes. So similarly you have to do this activity at your home. I hope you have enjoyed all these 3 activities. So please do it very neatly and enjoy it. Thank you so much.